your moo cow above your head. Yeah! You'll be moving around like a pro in no time. Look at you. Look at you hold your head up. Wow! Wow! Good job, Cinna. What, did you find a toy on your mat? Did you find something to look at? Wow! Good job, Cinna. Good work. You're such a big girl. Oh, that's a good burp, too. Wow! I'm so impressed. Oh, so are you. Oh, there you go. You're going to roll back.